Well, hello there, friends. Another fantastic soup today. Another classic. A lot of you have been requesting it, and I love making it, so it's wonderful. Split pea soup. It's got all kind of goodies here, and I know you're going to be able to make it. And I know you're going to make it just as good as mine. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell. Stay tuned, friends. Split pea soup. Coming up right now. We're making it together. Okay, friends, well, let me share my version. I love that soup. It's delicious. Look, guys, I got a half a pound of bacon in there, and I got a big onion, okay? I'm going to do that right away before I do anything else. Remember, the onion always number first. Always, always. You see everybody put the onion on it, the carrots and the celery at the same time. Mamma mia. You know, I don't know if you noticed it. Actually, as a matter of fact, a few of you have noticed it. Then there's a lot of YouTube cooks out there then are starting to do it the right way. They're learning. Somebody had sent a really nice comment, and forgive me if I forgot your name, but you said, it's really interesting because you see a lot of YouTubers and you still watch, then they're now correct, they do it the correct way. So I'm not only teaching people that watch YouTube, I'm teaching the people that are out there cooking on YouTube. So it's very cool. Very cool. It was a nice compliment. Anyway, friends, one big onion. We're cooking it in the fat of the bacon, okay? And I got a pound of split pea. If you have the time, okay? You don't always have the time. If you have the time, put it in water overnight. If you don't have the time, then put it in the boiling water for 5 minutes and let it sit there. And if you don't have time to do that either, just cook it like that. It'll still be fine. What it does, it allows it to bloom, and it'll be a little more tender if you have the time, okay? I see a lot of people cooking soup in water. Water tastes like nothing. I mean, eventually you watch everybody on YouTube. They're not going to cook the water no more because water is good for the shower. It's good for the car washing. It's good for certain things in cooking, but not making soups. Mamma mia. You see it all the time, right? So look, guys, we're going to drain them because we don't want water. Oh, I didn't tell Jack I was going there. You get that, Jack? You good? So look, the onion, always try to get him a little color. Smells delicious, right? And then we're going to put, we got carrots. And we got celeries, and the carrots, I cut them in the little wheels. See, look. I amuse myself. You know, yeah, you got to do this when you're in the kitchen, you know. You amuse yourself. You make it nice. See, do. So, and then I got a leek. I just used the white part and the light green part of the leek. A lot of people don't do it. To me, a soup without leek is like a day without sunshine. It's like a dinner without a wine. It's like life without love. I'm telling you, I put it in the same, you gotta have it, right? See, now all of a sudden everybody's like, yeah, you're right, see? I know. And then we got beautiful ham. I got this ham that I buy at my grocery store, Publix. I like Publix. We're lucky to have them. They're nice. And I have them cut slices about 1/8 of an inch thick, and cut them in big cubes. And I have about 1/3 of a pound, roughly. You know, I don't think I actually measure it. And then I have a pork hock. And again, you got it at Publix. I got it the smoke. I don't know if you can get the label here. Smoke, a pork hock. And you put it in there, and then you take it out. You know, some people eat it though. My mom used to love eating this. This is delicious. All right, so we're gonna put the garlic in here, and we're gonna wake up the garlic a little bit. So I got about 2 tablespoons of chopped fine garlic. You can put the whole garlic cloves. It really doesn't matter. But anything you put in the soup, friends, has to be pretty. That's another thing. Put the fresh thyme. Put the fresh thyme. If you don't have fresh thyme, use dry thyme. Dry thyme. But it has to be pretty. What I mean by that is when you cut the celery, cut it nice. Okay, cut it nice because it'll be in your soup. And you know, and the beauty about cutting it nice, friends, is everything cook at the same speed. You see, and I see people chopping like a massacre. Like, they're nothing look at the same size. Some pieces of celery are going to be raw. Some are going to be too cooked. Do it the same. Take your time. Have fun. Really, have fun. You smell the garlic. When you smell the garlic, what are you supposed to do? What are you supposed to do? You're supposed to save it. Save the aroma. This is why you put in garlic. It's a fragrance. Save it. So you know what I do? I put a little bit of stock in here. I got 6 cups measured in here. I think it's going to be enough. Okay, because I got 1 pound of the split pea. And I think 6 cups of it's going to be enough. So now I can relax a little more. Okay? Now, some people said, I got a comment yesterday, I think it was. You know, I try to read all the comments, but I can't read them all. There's too many of them. On any given day, between all the videos that we got out there, we can get as many as 1,000 comments, sometimes even more. Plus another 200 emails. Sometimes it's tough. So what was I saying? I forgot what I was going to say. You know? Anyway, it's important to cut things the same thing. I forgot what I was going to say. Maybe it's not important, eh? Do you remember what I was going to say, Jack? You're like, no idea. No idea. So if he has no idea and I have no idea, imagine the new people that are coming into the channel and say, these guys are nuts. That's okay, though. We're having fun. Have fun with us. The ham, we're going to wait till the end. I don't need to cook. It's already cooked, friends. So I'm going to take the, mamma mia. I'm going to take the stock. I'm going to put it all in there, the 6 cup. All go in there. Everything goes in there. All right? And then, friends, we are going to, I may add a little more stock later. We're going to see what happens. I'm going to add the split pea in there. And I'm probably going to add more stock. But first, I'm going to put everything in here. I'm going to mix it all up. Making funny noises. Maybe some of the water is coming to my, it's coming on my burner. So I'm here like that. Blah, 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 blah. God bless us. God bless us all. We know we need it. So now, Frank, we're going to cook all this up. All right? And then what's going to happen, the split pea are going to cook. They're going to become nice and tender. It's going to thicken everything. We're going to have a nice, creamy, delicious, thick soup. And we're going to put the ham hock in there. We're going to bury it in there. There you go. See, bury it in there. And then we're going to cook all this, and then we'll see how much more stock we're going to add. Right now, we got 6 cups. All right, my friends, I'm going to bring this to boil. As soon as it's boiling, I'm going to reduce the heat. Oh, I didn't put salt and pepper. You forgot to tell me, Jack. Salt and pepper. See, measure carefully, yeah? Be careful with this. I love it when I see people. You know, I got the spoon. I got him somewhere here. I got him. I love it when I see people going, okay, we're going to put a salt now, okay? We're going to put a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I don't understand it. Put a salt. There you go. Don't be measuring the salt, okay? If it comes out a little not salty enough, you got more. If it comes out too salty, next time do it carefully, more careful. It's not that big of a deal. You remember I made a video on how to salt everything correctly. If you haven't seen that video, I highly recommend it. Jack is going to give you a beautiful link, all right? So they cook at the, oh yes, Jack is remembering now what I said. The reason why you want to cut everything, see, he's good. The reason why you want to cut everything at the same size so they cook at the same speed. Okay, so we don't have one overcooked and the other one mushy. All right, or the other way around. You got what I'm saying. Friends, whew, I am excited to eat this soup. I'll see you as soon as it's done. Okay, friends, it's been about an hour and a half. So I put the ham pieces about a few minutes ago. I just think it's such a beautiful soup. Jack, you know what he called it? He said it looks like prison food. Prison food? Prison food? I'll go to prison tomorrow to have this. This is how a split pea soup is supposed to look like. You know, you got the split pea that are broken, that are released, they're starched. It's gorgeous. Look at this. Prison food. The young people these days. So now, I like it very thick. You like it a little thinner, you put a little more stock in it, okay? I love it very thick. That's to me, it's got to be like a full spoon of it. You know, you have it however you want it, and then we put the little garlic crostinis right there. What am I talking about, Christine? Crouton. A little garlic crouton right there that we made, and voila. And it's very simple. Now all of a sudden, yeah, I like to go to prison tomorrow if they're going to give me food that's going to look like this. So you know what we could do also? We could have a fun and we could make a little more pretty, because now all of a sudden I'm having a complex of the food not looking so good. We take some of this beautiful carrot wheels that we did, and we put them there and there. You see now all of a sudden, does that look better for you? That look better for you? Look at that. Ah, you see? He says, no, it don't look any better. Well, my friend, I'm going to test it because I love this soup. It's all about texture, and this soup, it's all about texture, okay? I'm not going to have a crouton because they're delicious, but I don't want to talk with a mouth full of crouton. So this is right there. This is delicious. It's a little hot, so be careful. Be careful. This is meat. I got to be careful. Wow. Oh, I'll tell you, to me, it's all about the texture. It's got to be like a food, like almost you want to chew on it. Oh, it's hot. It's almost like, it's full in your mouth. It's all about the texture. This soup, flavored, beautiful, but it's all about the texture. Friends, I hope you make it. I hope you don't have to go to prison to get that. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell. Thanks for watching, friends. Prison food. I'll give you some prison food. I hope tomorrow you go to prison and they give you this. You go, man, I'm going back to prison. I'm going to eat that prison food. It's delicious. It's hot though. Oh, man. Let's have some prison food.